Most people have never tried avocado like this. The transformation is unbelievable. If you blend frozen banana with avocado, then add Greek yogurt, vanilla, and lemon juice until smooth and creamy, pour it into a container and freeze for about 60 to 90 minutes. You get a rich, creamy avocado ice cream that's naturally sweet and refreshing. Creamy, naturally sweet, incredibly satisfying. When blood sugar levels in Japanese people reach 300, this is how they do it to save themselves without medication. They blend 2 tomatoes with 2 chopped oranges, the juice of 1 lime, and half a cup of water. They blend it for 1 minute, and this helps blood sugar levels drop sharply, improves the liver, and reduces cholesterol. How old were you when you discovered that if you put pineapple in a blender, half a cucumber, a carrot, the juice of a lemon, and enough water, and blend everything for 1 minute, you get the best juice for fatty liver, urinary infections, kidney stones, kidney problems, and circulation? Anyone who squeezes lemon onto kiwi won't go back to the pharmacy for medication. Put 2 kiwis in the blender, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, add half a cucumber, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon, and blend it with 1 glass of water for 1 minute. This helps detoxify the body, remove waste stuck in the colon, support weight loss, relieve constipation, and reduce belly bloating. This is why Japanese people live for over 100 years. To make it, take a green apple, cut it into pieces, and put it in a blender. Add half a cucumber with the peel, the juice of half a lemon, and some water. Blend the mixture for a minute. This green juice helps to cleanse all the impurities from your digestive system, dissolve fats, and detoxify the kidneys and urinary tract.